So now before moving to CPU scheduling algorithm, let me tell you about these important terms. So because we will frequently encounter these terms while solving numericals: arrival time, burst time, completion time, turnaround time, waiting time. Okay, these are very important terms. So let me explain you first what these terms are, and after that I will move to the CPU scheduling algorithm. These are basic prerequisite about CPU scheduling algorithm. So the first one is arrival time. What is arrival time? Arrival time means what? The time at which a process moves to the ready queue. The time at which process enters the ready queue. Okay. So let me write here: the time at which a process enters the ready queue. That is arrival time. Second one is burst time. What is burst time? Burst time means CPU usage time. Okay. CPU usage time. It means what? For how much time a process will run. Okay. For how much time a CPU will be allocated to a process. Okay. Third one is completion time. Simply, you can guess the meaning. You can guess what it is. Completion time means what? The time at which the process completes its task. Okay, and its process control block gets deleted. Okay, so that is completion time, as the name suggests. Third term is turnaround time. Turnaround time is equal to completion time minus arrival time. Now you can guess. After entering into the ready queue, the amount of time the process spent in the ready queue till its completion, that is called turnaround time. So what it actually did in this time? It either waited for its turn, waiting time, or when it got the CPU, it simply processed it, or it waited for its turn, or it was busy with the CPU. That is burst time. Or either it was waiting for its turn, or it was running. Okay, so this is also a turnaround time. After basically it means what? After entering into the ready state, what a process will do? It will either wait for its turn to get scheduled, or after getting the CPU, that the burst time that it will perform. Okay. So, and the last one is waiting time. So here from this formula, you can get the formula of waiting time. Here waiting time is equal to what? Turnaround time minus burst time. Okay. So I think it's clear to you, and it will be more clear once we solve numericals, because actually these are not theoretical concepts. These are more numerical things. Numerical questions are asked from this topic, so it's better to solve numericals rather than giving you formal definitions. Or okay, so I'm sure once after solving numericals, your concept will be very clear. You will thoroughly understand what I am teaching you right now. And also one important term is left: response time. So I have left this response time because while solving numericals, I will tell you about this. Okay, not now.